Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol LGBS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to use this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis yesterday, and the main point that I want to reiterate here is all about the pink line, which is the famous 200 period simple moving average. Even if you have just a very basic understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 200 period moving average, and you know that when the price is above it, you want to see the price stay above it, assuming of course you're long and wanting the chart to act bullish. And to give credit where credit's due, sure, the price did pull back more today, but when the price got right down there around that pink line, you can see it did indeed act as support. And in fact, the power of charts, the price got down there. And for those people that did use or do use charts, they accumulated some shares and then got a nice little bounce right there in and of itself. But, not even from a trading perspective, just from the overall quote unquote story of the price, good to see that the price maintained above that pink line, because any sort of closes below there or worse yet, the price separates to the downside of the pink line. At that point in time is where, the bears are back in full control. You cannot say right now that the bears are in full control because the price is still above that pink line. Do the bears have some control? Yeah, of course the bears have some control, and you can see that given, the purple line here, the 50 period simple moving average has, what was once beautifully upsloping, it topped out and it's now rolling back over. So yeah, the bears do have some control in the chart, but to say they own the chart or have total control is just not true because the price is still up above that pink line. So from the grand scheme of things, big picture perspective, the bulls do still have a chance to build that uptrend. And how do they build the uptrend? Well, they got to stay up above that pink line. And again, so far so good. The price did a great job of doing that here. As far as levels of resistance, already talked about this level, but this is going to be the key mark on any sort of, continued bounce to the upside. The bulls are going to have to cross through that purple line there, the 50 period simple moving average. So not the best day today, but it was a good day in the sense of the price holding above that moving average. So we'll see if the bulls can build upon this and maybe get some sort of base and bottom formed. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.